Hey guys, John Vidine with Dent Reaper Tools here, and just wanted to go over the Reaper Tails series here of tools. These are similar usage as a whale tail. You're going to get a lot of whale tail-like functionality out of them. There are some differences here. I'll go over kind of the tips here. You got basically two pushing surfaces on this, and you've got a soft side here where you're able to get a nice softer push here, and then obviously the sharp tip on the other side, and that is the Reaper tier for obvious reasons, shaped just like a teardrop, but sharp tip, really good on aluminum. This particular size here, the 12-inch size, I really like for aluminum hoods. And you're gonna get a lot of whale tail-like functionality in between the braces with that. And then we got the longer size for doors and other applications there. And then same sizing with the Reaper claws here. And these are basically just have that center section cut out here and able to snake into a 3/8 hole and still get that whale tail type functionality. Great for tight access places. And again, we'll go down and we've got the soft edge here for a nice soft push and a sharp tip here for a nice sharp push. Great for aluminum, again, things of that nature. And they do come with ratcheting handles, so you can orient yourself in whichever way is most beneficial for particular repair you're on. So I find these very helpful in my repairs, and I hope they'll do the same for you. Hope you guys love them as much as I do. Head on over to dentreaper.com and get yourself some. Thanks so much. Keep pushing.